Right, my dear grade 6 student. So today we are going to discuss 2024-2025 Southern Province paper, right? So this is the Southern Province paper. මේ තියෙන පැටියෝ Southern Province paper එක. Let's try to discuss this paper, right? මේ paper එක කතා කරමු. Please try to complete the paper before me. මට කලින් පැටියෝ paper එක complete කරන්න. Then I will give you the link, right? I will drop you the link. Look at the description on the video, right? So please try to complete this one by yourself. ටට්ටක් ගාලා අපි බලමු, right? මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ 2 hours 2 hour paper 2 hour paper means ළමයි within 40 minutes 40 ගන්නත් එපා within 30 minutes වගේ, right? Within 30 minutes try to complete within 30 or 40, within 30 and 40 minutes just try to complete first 20 questions. පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්න 20 හරියට කරන්න. මේ පාර එක්සෑම් එකට ලකුණු කීයට වඩාද? 90 වලට වඩා. හරිනේ? So just try to take more than 90. Grade 6 papers are very easy. මාර lazy මේ papers. හොඳේ? Right. Let's quickly move to the questions. Write the number 4352 in standard form and write it in words. How to write down that one in standard form, right? How to write down that one in standard form, right? කොහොමද ලියන්නේ standard form එකකින්? මෙන්න බලන්න, we need to separate into 3 digits. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma that means 43 521 space 634. 43, you need to separate into 3 digits from ones place. Ones place එකේ නම් පැටියෝ වෙන් කරගෙන යන්න. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma and 43. That means 43 space 521 space 634. Units, thousands, millions ne එහෙමනේ. That means how to write down the answer 43 million, right? How to write down the answer, Patio? 43 million. Look at this one, right? 43 million 521,000. ඔයා මුලින් paper එක කරන්න. ඔයා මුලින් paper එක කරලා මගෙත් එක්ක ඊට පස්සේ කරන්න. 43 million 521,000, right? 521,000, right? 521,000, right? 521,000, right? I will write down the answer here. මෙතන ලියන්නම් පැටියෝ. 521,000 634. 634, right? 634. Name a point that lies in all 3 circles in the given figure. All 3 circles. In all 3 circles. Neither. Can you remember that one? Matakada patio, right? Can you remember what are the locations? Right? What are the locations on the circle? Can you remember that one? Inside the circle, on the circle, outside the circle. Ne? Inside the circle, on the circle, outside the circle. මතකයි නේ පැටියෝ. අන්නේම තමයි කරේ. Inside the circle, on the circle, outside the circle. That means ළමයි inside the circle, on the circle, outside the circle. So therefore, look at this one. Inside the circle, in the circle, all 3 circles. Name a point that lies all 3 circles in the given figure. That means point R. Then R is the answer, right? Yes. Then R is the answer. Write the number of edges, vertices of the solid shown in the figure. Write the number of edges. So this is regular tetrahedron. Edges means dara, edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patio. How many edges are there? 6 edges. Number of vertices, lamai. How many vertices are there? Shirsha. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices are there? 4 vertices. මට කලින් කරන්න පැටියෝ පේපර් එක ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරගන්න ඩවුන්ලෝඩ් කරගෙන මට කලින් කරන්න ඊට පස්සේ ඔයා මගෙත් එක්ක answers check කරන්න හරි number of edges and the vertices edges means dara right okay let's quickly move to the next one fill in the blanks right filling the blanks okay fill in the blanks පැටියෝ that means ළමයි fill in the blanks right 9 plus 3 9 10 11 12 නේ පැටියෝ අයියෝ මාර ලේසි 12 remaining 1 12 remaining 1 1 plus 7 8 දැන් 6 එන්න 16 එන්න බැයි 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 16 means පැටියෝ another 8 16 remaining 1 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 5 8 වැඩේ හරි mark the integers between minus 2 and plus 3 mark the integers between means we can't take minus 2 and minus 3 mark the integers between minus 2 and plus 3 given on the number line do not mark minus 2 and plus 3. Minus 2 mark කරන්නත් එපා plus 3 mark කරන්නත් එපා. අහන්නේ පැටියෝ ඒ දෙන්න අතර තියෙන ඒවා. Right? What are the integers between minus 2 and plus 3? 1, 2, 3. නේ පැටියෝ. So we can do this one, right? අන්න ළමයි වැඩේ. Then we can do that one, right? Let's quickly do this one. ටක්කාල කරමු අපි. Right? Yes. Right? Hurry up. Right. Question number. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Do not mark 3. 3 mark කරන්න එපා. Right? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. එච්චරයි. මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ 1 over 8, 1 over 3. දැන් මේ වගේව හෙන ප්‍රශ්න. 1 over 8. Numerators. Look at this one. This is the fraction, no? Make any fraction, nigga, right? Just consider the fraction. Fraction, lamai, mainly there are two parts. This one is known as numerator. This one is known as numerator. This one is known as denominator. කොහොමද පැටියෝ මේවා කරන්නේ? Numerator, denominator. Numerators are equal. All numerators are equal. Just consider, lamai, this part. All numerators are equal. If those numerators are equal, lamai, highest denominator is the smallest fraction. Highest denominator is the smallest fraction. Cake ගෙඩියක් chocolate roll එකක් දෙකට කපනවා. chocolate roll එකක් 8කට කපනවා. chocolate roll එකක් 4කට කපනවා. දැන් chocolate roll එකක් 2කට කපනවා. chocolate roll එකක් 8කට කපනවා. chocolate roll එකක් 4කට කපනවා. කාටද පොඩිම කෑල්ල හම්බෙන්නේ? 8කට කපුව එක්කෙනානේ පොඩිම කෑල්ල හම්බෙන්නේ. මෙයා තමයි ළමයි පොඩිම. එයා තමයි පැටියෝ පොඩිමනේ. That is the smallest one. එයා තමයි පොඩිම. අන්න right. That means same numerator. Same numerator means ළමයි largest denominator is the smallest fraction. Largest denominator is the smallest fraction. Largest denominator එක තමයි smallest fraction එක. So 1 over 8 is the smallest fraction. Right? Then the second one 1 over 4. This is the largest one. Just consider 1 over 3 and 1 over 6. කවුද පැටියෝ smallest one? This is the smallest one. Right? So likewise we can do. Then ළමයි 1 over 8 and 1 over 3. Then 1 over 8 is the smallest one. 1 over 8 is the smallest part. 1 over 8 තමයි චූටි මෙක්කෙනා පොඩි මෙක්කෙනා. 1 over 8 is the smallest part. So this one is less than this one, right? So that means 1 over 1 over 8 ළමයි less than 1 over 8 less than 1 over 3. මෙයා ළමයි 3 over 4, 8 or 6 over 8. එහෙම හරියන්නේ නැහැ. 3 over 4, this one is 6 over 8. Look at the denominator. මෙයා 4, මෙයා 8. එහෙම හරියන්නේ නැහැ ළමයි. We need to convert 4 to 8. idea එකක් ගන්න බෑනේ පැටියෝ. Then numerators equal උත් නැහැ. So we can't get the idea. So what we need to do, we need to equal the denominators. So how we can equal to denominators? We can multiply. How to convert 4 to 8? How to convert 4 to 8? Multiply by 2. This one also multiply by 2. Then lamai 6 over 8. What is the answer? 6 over 8. Mara case එක ළමයි. මෙයත් 6 over 8. මෙයත් 6 over 8. Then 6 over 8. 6 over 8. Then එතකොට equal. And that one also equal. Question number 7. Look at this one. Question number 7 lamai. You can see the triangles, right? Triangular numbers. Draw the next pattern. Draw the next pattern. ඊළඟ pattern එක. You need to draw the next pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 lamai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which type of numbers are represented by dots? Triangular numbers, right? So what is the name of these kind of numbers, lamai? Triangular numbers, right? Triangular numbers, right? Then you can write down triangular numbers, right? Fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks. The angles formed, lamai, look at this one, මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ. The angle formed between hour hand and minute hand of a clock 9:30. Just consider 9:30. 9:30 means lamai. This is 9. 9:30 means 9 and 10 and 30. හරියටම 9 වලට එන්නේ නෑනේ පැටියෝ. හරියටම 9 වලට එන්නේ නෑනේ. Between 9 and 10. Our hand can be placed between 9 and 10 and 30. That means 6 for this one. Right? So that means lamai, look at this one. මේ බලන්න. So what is the angle lamai? What are the angles? Acute angle, right angle. Right angle means exactly 90 degree. Ne? Right angle means exactly 90 degree. This one means your acute angle. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. මේ බලන්න. Obtuse angle, straight angle. Straight angles means 180. Reflex angle. Reflex angles means more than 180. Acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex. කරලා තියෙනවා පැටියෝ මේවා ඇති වෙනකන් හොඳේ. All right. Now tell me what is that angle, ne? Angle should be placed like this. ඔහොම එන්නේ. So what is that angle? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. මෙයා පැටියෝ obtuse angle. Just consider this one. Reflex angle. Obtuse angle and reflex angle. Obtuse angle, reflex angle. Obtuse angle, reflex angle. Obtuse angle and reflex angle. Very easy, right? Yes. You can pause the video. Video ka pause kala liya ganna hode. Man karagena yanawa. Question number 9, 10, 11 patio. Look at this one. Question number 9, 10, 11. How many times the value represent in the hundreds place? Hundreds place lamai. Hundreds place. The value represent in hundreds place. Meane ones, tens, 100. So what is the value represent in hundreds place? 500. How many times the value represent in hundreds place is the value represent in the unit place? What is the value represent by unit place? 5. What is the value represent by unit place? 5. අපි unit place ටික ටක් ගාලා මතක් කරගමුද? ආ ළමයි? Shall we quickly remind the unit place? ටක් ගාලා මතක් කරගමුද පැටියෝ? Shall we quickly remind the units, please? Right? Just consider this one. What are the place values? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions. 2 billion, 181 million, 218,210. Periods. මෙයාට කියනවා මගේ පැටියෝ units period. This one is known as thousand period. This one is known as millions period. This one is known as billions period. Right? Units, thousand, millions, billions. On a period. හරිනේ. Now what is the value represented by 0? Shall I clear this one? Or maybe clear කරන්න? Right. What is the value represented by 0? Right? What is the value represented by 0? 0. What is the value represented by 1? 10. What is the value represented by 2? 200. What is the value represented by 8? 8,000. What is the value represented by 1? 10,000. What is the value represented by 2? 200,000. අන්න එහෙම යන්නේ වැඩේ. Right? Okay. Then how many times the value represented by 5? 500. මෙයා පැටියෝ. That means how many times? How many times means ළමයි 500 divided by 5? 100 times. 100 times. 100 times. Right? 100 times. Choose the number. What are the prime numbers? Then සමහර ළමයින්ට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ මොනවද prime numbers කියන්නේ මොනවද composite කියන්නේ කොච්චර කියලා දුන්නත් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරිනේ. මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ. What are the prime numbers? Right? What are the prime numbers ළමයි? Prime numbers means only two factors. Numbers having only two factors. That means ළමයි numbers having only two factors. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ just consider 4. 4 can be write down as 4 multiplied by 1. 4 can be write down as 2 multiplied by 2. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 4. What are the factors? 1, 2, 4. How many factors are there? 3 factors. How many factors are there? 3 factors. 3 factors non composite. ඇයි? More than 2 factors. සාධක දෙකක් හරි factors දෙකක් හරි දෙකට වැඩි නම් composite numbers දෙකක් හරි නෙවෙයි දෙකට වැඩි නම් composite numbers දෙකක් හරි නෙවෙයි හොදේ දෙකට වැඩි නම් composite numbers. Just consider 5. 5 means ළමයි 1 multiplied by 5. ඔච්චරයි. So how many factors are there? 1 and 5. How many factors are there? Only 1 and 5. Only 1 and 5 means how many factors are there? Only 2 factors. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ factors දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. 2 factors means prime numbers. More than 2 factors means composite numbers. That means 4 composite, 5 prime. Now let's quickly move to the question. Then ටක් ගලමු question එකට. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So what are the prime numbers? 2 prime, 5 prime. 4 composite, 6 composite, 8 composite, 9 composite. That 2 එකත් special. 2 is the one and only even prime number in the world. ලෝකේ තියෙන එකම even prime number එක. හරිනේ? Right. Okay නේද? Yes. Question number 12. Sorry, 11. Question number 11 ළමයි. If the length of a side small square in the given lamina is 1 centimeter and shaded parts are removed. Shaded parts are removed. What is the area of the remaining part? Shaded parts are removed. Shaded parts are removed. So that means lamai, let's quickly calculate. What is the area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half 1. Half 1. A භාගයයි A භාගයයි එකයි මේ භාගයයි මේ භාගයයි එකයි. Now quickly calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Yes, that means lamai 10 square centimeters. What is the area of the remaining part? 10 square centimeters. Okay, ne? Hayyo lamai lazy. An example for a vertical. Vertical means this one. Vertical plane. Vertical wall. A wall. Bittiyak. Smart screen. Smart screen ළමයි මේ අතර තියලා බලනවද? ඒ අතර තියලා TV එක උඩ නිදාගෙන බලනවද? එහෙම බලන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. Smart screen vertical. Wall vertical. Doors vertical. Table horizontal. Ceiling horizontal. Floor horizontal. An instrument to use to identify the vertical position. Plumb. What is that one? Plumb. What is the instrument to use to identify horizontal position? Spirit level. දැකලා තියෙනවනේ ළමයි ළඹේ ප්ලම්බ් එක දැකලා තියෙනව නේද? අන්න right. That one. Right? Plumb line. Right? Yes. This one ළමයි මෙන්න මේක. මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ. Right? This is plumb. Right? අන්න බලන්න. This one is known as plumb. Right? අන්න. This one is known as plumb. Okay නේ. මෙන්න මෙයාට තමයි පැටියෝ plumb කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? Horizontal ළමයි. What is the instrument we can use to measure the horizontal level? That means spirit level. ඒකත් පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු. හරි? Spirit level. අන්න ළමයි this part. මෙන්න මෙයා spirit level. That one is known as spirit level, right? ඒකෙන් තමා horizontal ද නැද්ද කියලා බලන්න. Right? Spirit level, right? Yes. Question number 13, 14, 15, 16. 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, ne? How many times the amount of rice in the container A is the amount of rice in the container B? Lamai, 2.5 kilograms means 2.5 kilograms means how to convert to grams? Multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000 means 1, 2, 3 decimal places to right side. So that means lamai 2500 grams. මේ වගේ කී ගුණයක්ද කියලා අහන්නේ. 2500 grams divide by 250 grams. 2500 grams divide by 250 grams. Divide by 250 grams. 2500 divide by 250. 250 to 251. 1 multiplied by 250. 250 0, and we can take this one lamai analamai 10. So that means that you how many times? 10 times. 10 times is the answer. What is the greatest multiple of 9? Less than 200. එතකොට මගේ පැටියෝ 200 පැටියෝ divide by 9. How many 9s for the 22? 2 multiplied by 9, 18. Remaining 2, we need to take 0 to down. How many 9s for the 22 and 22? Then 9 multiplied by 22. 9 into 2, 18. Remaining 1. 9 into 2, 18 plus 1. 198 is the greatest multiple of 9 less than 200. Quickly complete that one. Hurry up at ඉක්මනට කරන්න. Write the decimal numbers in descending order. Descending order means lamai largest to smallest නේ. වැඩිම කියනනම් අඩුම එකට. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 2.5 2.05 2.51 ඔහොමනේ. Now lamai, we need to take all the numbers in 2 digits. So that means 2 decimal places. Now look at the first number 222 equal ne වැඩක් නැහැ. Then consider the second number 505. A කියන්නේ පැටියෝ, this is the lowest one නේ. This one is smaller one 55. Then 51. Which one is the larger one? කවුද ලොකුම? 51 නේ. That means this is the larger one. Then we can write down that one in ascending order. 2.51 greater than 2.50 greater than 2.05. Write all the ways in which the number 36 can be written as the product of two square numbers. 36 patio, we can write down two square numbers. Let's see what are the square numbers. ඔක්කොටම කලින් බලමු මොනවද the square numbers. Square numbers means 1, 4, 3 by 3, 9, 4 by 4, 16, and 4 by 4, 16 නේද? 1, 4, 9, 16. ඔන්නෝවා තමා square numbers, right? Those numbers are the square numbers, right? Then let's see what are the numbers, right? Square numbers, that means lamai 1 multiplied by 36. 36 also a square number ne. 2 multiplied by 9, 4 multiplied by 9. 4 multiplied by 9. අර numbers දෙකක් set කරලා 36 ගන්න පුළුවන් ඒවා. මේ බලන්න පැඩියෝ. So we can consider 25 and 36. 1 multiplied by 36, 36. 4 multiplied by 9, 36. ඔච්චරයිනේ. Right. So they're asking that one. Okay ne. Question number 17 පැඩියෝ. Look at this one. Question number 17. මේ බලන්න. Question number 17. 7,025 milliliters in liters and milliliters. That means lamai 7,025 dividing by 1000 means 7 point ne. So that means 7 liters 25 milliliters. Perimeter means lamai outer length. No need to add this one. May add karanne. Perimeter means outer path. So that means outer length. Pita values tika. Harne padiyo. Find the perimeter of the figure. So we need to add centimeters, millimeters. 6 centimeters, 3 millimeters. 10 centimeters, 0 millimeters. 5 centimeters, 2 millimeters. 7 centimeters, 0 millimeters. Right? අන්න වැඩි ඒ ටික ඇඩ් කරන්න ඕන. 3 plus 2, 5 millimeters. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Remaining 1, 28. 28 centimeters, 5 millimeters. Right? 28 centimeters, 5 millimeters. 19 and 20 lamai, there are 18 right ripe mangoes and 24 raw mangoes in a basket. Write the ratio between lamai. So that means patio, right? Mangoes and raw mangoes, right? 18 to 24. Simplest form 18 to 24. ඒක නෙවෙයි answer එක. We need to divide both side by 18 to 24. කියන්න බැටියෝ දෙකම. Divide by 6. We can divide both side by 6. 18 to, right? 18 to 24. 18 divide by 6. 24 divide by 6. Both numbers we can divide by 6. Anna පැටියෝ ගන්න answer එක. Just try to get the answer. Hurry up. Both numbers we can divide by 6. Please try to get the answer. Quickly comment your answer, right? Answer එක comment එකක් දාන්න. හොඳයි. Just quickly comment your answer. Question number 20. Look at this one. Question number 20. There are 15 birds on a tree. When M number of birds flew away. Just consider 15 birds. 5 birds flew away. කුරුල්ලෝ 5 දෙනෙක් ගියා නම් ඉතුරු කීයද 10යිනේ. 15 minus 5. What is the remaining one ළමයි? 15 minus M. 15 birds on a tree. M birds flew away. So that means ළමයි 15 minus M. If M equals to 9, find the remaining number of birds. 15 minus 9 ළමයි, what is the answer? M equals to 9. So M equals to 9, we can substitute 9. 15 minus 9 equals to 6. Right? 15 minus 9 equals to 6. Right, very good, Patio. Then we can quickly move to the second question, third question, and fourth, sixth, yes, seventh, right? So many questions are there, right? Let's quickly move to first 20 questions, right? මේ ප්‍රශ්න 20න් කීයක් හරි ගියාද කියලා මට පොඩ්ඩක් කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන්න. හරි? How many questions, right? So we just discussed first 20 questions. පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්න 20ම පැටියෝ අපි මොනවා කරලා තියෙන්නේ? කතා කරලා තියෙන්නේ. First 20 questions, right? We just discussed all the 20 questions on the first one. Right, okay ne? Right. Let's quickly move to part 2. ටක් ගාලා යමු අපි part 2 වලට. Okay ne? හරි ne? Right. Then if you have any questions regarding this one, මොනවාම හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් පැටියෝ, just drop me the WhatsApp message. If you have any questions regarding this one ළමයි, just drop me the WhatsApp message. This is my WhatsApp number, right? This is my WhatsApp number. Just drop me the WhatsApp message. මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා මට WhatsApp message එකක් දාන්න. Right, okay, let's quickly move to the second part, first question. පිටක් ගාලා යමු. Second part, first question, right? Okay. Okay, Lamai, let's quickly move to the first question, Patio. The quantity of ready-made clothes produced in a garment factory within a day is given below. The මෙතනින් කියන්නේ 5 නේ. 5, 10, 15, 20. 18 means Lamai. How to represent 18, Patio? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 18. 5, 10, and 3, 13. 20 means you need to take 4 neither. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. 27 means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26 and 27. Complete the above table. විනාඩි 5ක් යන්නේ නැහැ. හොඳේ හයියෝ වැඩක් නැහැ ළමයි. easy peasy lemon squeezy case එකක් තියෙන. Then Patio, if four cloths are represented by one circle, that means Patio 4 circles. 4 cloths are represented by one circle, right? One circle. මේ බලන්න. That means circle equals to 4. Half circle, 2. Quarter circle, quarter කියන්නේ මේකිනුත් භාගනේ 1. 3/4 circle, 3/4 means 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. මෙතනින් කියන්නේ එක ළමයයි, ළමයි දෙන්නයි, ළමයි 3 දෙනයි, ළමයි 4 දෙනයි. Then Patio, frocks means, wait a minute. Frocks means ළමයි 20. 20 means 20 divided by 4. 20 means 20 divided by 4. How many circles? 5 circles. 20 divided by 4 lamai, 5 circles, right? 20 divided by 4, 5 circles. That means by your 20 divided by 4, 5 circles. Shirts lamai, shirts pedio, look at this one. Shirts 18. 18 means menna shirts 18 නේ. Right. අපි ගමු shirts 18. Shirts 18 means 4, 8, 12, 16, 18 means half circle. ඉතින් කියන්නේ දෙකයි. half නේ. තව දෙකයිනේ මදි. ඒ කියන්නේ half circle. Right? half circle. කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ තනියම. පුළුවන් නේ පැටියෝ තනියෙන් කරන්න. Trousers means 13. 13 means one circle. 4, 8, 12, 12, 13 means quarter. පුළුවන් නේ? Right. Okay. Just try to complete that one by yourself. කරන්න පැටියෝ. Right? Okay. Just try to complete that one by yourself. Right? Let's quickly write down the answers for the second part. මේ ටික තනියෙන් කරන්න. හරි? Quickly try to complete those 5. Right? Try to do that one by yourself. කොහොම හරි කරන්න. Try to get the highest marks for the term test. මේ බලන්න මගේ පැටියෝ මෙතනින් බලමු අපි. Answer the following questions using the above picture graph. Which type of ready-made cloth was produced most on that day? Most on that day. Most on that day means lamai skirts 27. 27 lamai skirts. 27 skirts, right? 27 skirts, right? You need to find the difference between skirts and shirts. Skirts and shirts, but your difference. Skirts and shirts. Co-skirts, co-skirts. Skirts and shirts. What is the difference between skirts and shirts? 27 minus 18. Right? 27 minus 18 lamai equals to 9. 27 minus 18 equals to 9. Which type of ready-made clothes are produced in same quantity? What are the quantities? Same lamai in same quantity. 20, 20. That means frocks equal t-shirts. Frocks and t-shirts. Frocks and t-shirts. Frocks and t-shirts. Right? Find the total number of ready-made clothes. Find the total number of ready-made clothes. ඔක්කොම ටික හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ තනියෙන් කරන්න. Find the total number of ready-made clothes පැටියෝ. That means 20, 18, 20 plus 18, 18 plus 13, 13 plus 20, 20 plus 27. ඔක්කොම ටික ඇඩ් කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. හොඳේ? Right. මොනවද? 2018 13, 2018 13, 2027. 2018 13, 13, 20 and 27. මල්ලං කරන්න හොදේ මේක ලේසි ළමයි. Right? ඔක්කොම ටික ඇඩ් කරන්න 20 plus 18, 18 plus 13, 13 plus 20, 20 plus 27. ඔක්කොම ටික ඇඩ් කරලා දාන්න. හොදේ? Right? Just try to complete that one quickly. ඔක්කොම ටික ඇඩ් කරලා දාන්න. Right? Try to complete that one. ඉක්මන් කරන්න පැටියෝ. Right? Try to complete that one. Express the fraction by taking the number of trousers produced as a numerator and the total. මේක කරන්න වෙනවා. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 7, 18, remaining 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 98 the බලන්න පැඩියෝ. Just quickly check with the answer. 98 the බලන්න. 11, 18, remaining 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Right? 98. හරි නේද? 18, remaining 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 98 තමයි. Now express the total fraction taking the number of trousers produced as the numerator, number of trousers as the numerator, number of trousers as the numerator, number of trousers lamai, 13 as the numerator, 13 as the numerator, 13 is the numerator, total number is the denominator. Then what is the answer? 13 over 98. හරිනේ පැටියෝ? 13 over 98. 13 over 98. Right? Yes. 13 over 98. Quickly complete this one. ටක් ගාලා කරන්න. Quickly complete that one. Look at the second question, Pedro. Look at the second question. Shade 5 over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ne? 8 ne neda. Shade 5 parts. So you can shade 5 parts. And 5 parts. Shade 5 parts over 8. Fill in the blanks to get equivalent fraction. Fill in the blanks to get equivalent fractions means you can multiply by same number. That means lamai multiply by same number. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 3, look at this one, 3 should be multiplied by 5 equals to 15. Then lamai 7 multiplied by 5, 7 multiplied by 5, 35. 12 4. How to convert 12 to 4? Divide by 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means lamai we need to convert to equal denominators. Right? මේ බලන්නකෝ. 5 over 8. 3 over 4. We can convert 4 to 8. How to convert 4 to 8? Multiply by 2. That means lamai 6 over 8. 1 over 2 means how to convert 2 to 8? Multiply both side by 4. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 4 over 8. අන්න ළමයි 6 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 4 parts out of 8, 5 parts out of 8, 6 part out of 8. Then what is the smallest fraction? 4 parts out of 8. 4 parts out of 8 means half. 5 parts out of 8, the second one. 6 over 8 is the largest one, that means 3 over 4. That means 3 over 4. Okay, neighbor? Right. The space of a floor of a school building is allocated as follows. For classrooms, look at this one. Right? Yes, then we can move to the next question. Right? For classrooms, lamai. For classrooms, 2 over 5. Maths room, 1 over 10. Library, 1 over 5. Office, 6 over 20. දැන් ළමයි මෙහෙමනේ. What is the total space allocated for classroom and library? Classroom and library. Classroom and library means 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Denominator equal 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means 3 over 5. What is the total space allocated for the library and maths room? Library and maths room. Library lamai 1 over 5. Maths room 1 over 10. දැන් පැටියෝ මෙයා හරියන්නේ නැහැනේ. 5 we need to convert to 10. How to convert 5 to 10? Multiply by 2. කැත වැඩ කරන්න එපා. පල්ලෙහා multiply කරොත් උඩත් multiply කරන්න ඕනෝද? අන්න 2 multiply. අන්න පැටියෝ then 2 multiply by 1 2. 2 multiply by 5 10. Then 1 over 10. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 10. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, what is the answer? 3 over 10. පල්ලෙහාට හදන්න හොඳේ ලස්සන්ට. How much more space of the floor is allocated for classroom than the office? Classrooms than the office. That means minus. Classroom than office. 5 over 2 over 5 minus 6 over 20. එතකොට වැඩියෝ මෙයා හරියන්නේ නැහනේ. 5 we need to convert to 20. How to convert 5 to 20? Alamai? Yes. Right? How much more space of the floor is allocated for the classrooms than the office? Yes. Classroom than the office. Office එකට වඩා. For office ළමයි 6 over yes. Then we need to take minus. Right? Then look at this one. 2. 2 over 5. 5 we need to convert to 20. Multiply by 4. 6 over 20. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. Then 6 over 20. Then 20 is the common denominator. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 means lamai 2 over 20. 8 minus 6 period 2 over 20. 8 minus 6 means 2 over 20. Right? Niyamai. Let's quickly move to the next one. Right? Anna lamai මේකට යමු. Question number 3. Easy. Mara lazy hode question number 3. Right. Balam Patio, look at this one. Question number 3. Name the shapes given in the figure. A lamai. What is the shape? A Patio? What the shape figure? Yes, parallelogram. Right? So what is the shape lamai? Parallelogram. Right? Me? A පේනවනේ shape එක. Right? Parallelogram. B. Trapezium. B lamai trapezium. C. Rectangle. Write 2 special properties of shape C. Shape C lamai. Rectangle එකේ මොනවද පැටියෝ special properties? All angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. Opposite sides are equal. නේ පැටියෝ. Opposite sides are equal. Unknown තමයි equal, right? Opposite sides are equal. Draw a net that can be used to construct a cube. Cube එකක් හදන්නේ. 1, 2, 3, 4. මෙහෙම එකයි මෙහෙම එකයි. Draw a net that can be used to construct a cube. Right? Easy වැඩේ. Right. Then I'm quickly moving to the next one. A solid has been made by placing two identical cubes together. A කියන්න වැඩියෝ two identical cubes. මෙහෙම cube එකයි තව cube එකක් මෙහෙම. Two identical cubes together. Name the solid and write the number of faces, vertices and edges. දැන් ඔයා cubes දෙකක් set කරනවානේ. Then පැටියෝ you can create a cuboid. එතකොට set වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද පැටියෝ? Cuboid එකක්. On cuboid. Right? So that one is cuboid. එතකොට ඉන්නේ cuboid එකක්. How many faces are there in a cuboid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. How many vertices? How many vertices? 1, Chirsha, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. 8 vertices. How many edges lamai? How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. අන්න ළමයි 12 edges. Right? 12 edges පැටියෝ. Edges 12ක් තියෙනවා. Right? Question number 4. Yes, 5, 6 and 7. Right? Question number 7 කරමුද ළමයි? That one is easy, right? Let's quickly move to the question number 7. මගේ ආසම question එක මේක. හරි. මාර lazy. Look at this one. Quickly take that one. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle. A means lamai obtuse angle. A means obtuse angle. B means acute angle. B means acute angle. C පැටියෝ මේ right angle. C means right angle. D means straight angle. D means straight angle. Mark a reflex angle in the figure. Reflex angle එකක් mark කරන්නලු. ඔයාට ඕන නම් මගේ පැටියෝ මේක mark කරන්න පුළුවන්. E. This one also reflects. This one also reflects. This one also reflects. Reflects දෙන්න ළමයි ගමකට. ඕන තරම් තියෙනවා. You can mark any angle as E. That means reflex angle as C. Reflex angle as C. Anna, look at the last question. B part. Only 3 parts are there. B. The figure shows the path traveled by a man A to D. Fill in the blanks with the table from A to B. මේ බලන්න පැටියෝ. From A to B. මේ බලන්න. Look at this one. From A to B. Right? From A to B lamai. Right? මෙයා lamai. This one equals to north. A to B means lamai east. North, east, northeast. Right? That means lamai northeast. Find the total distance he traveled. 150 plus 200 plus 150. 150 plus 200 plus 150. Then lamai 500 meters or half kilometers. What is the direction A seen from D? A seen from D lamai. මෙතන ඉඳන් පැටියෝ. From D. A seen from D. Anna north, south, west. From D ne southwest. Neither from D. D වලින් ඉඳන් අහන්නේ. Then southwest. Southwest is the answer. Southwest. Okay, Nelamai. Right. How many questions are there? Only 3 questions. Right? There are 198 girls, 100 boys in grade 6 of Parakum College participated for a trip. Find the total number of grade 6 students. A කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 198 plus 150 you need to add. Add කරන්න ඕන පුළුවන්නේ. හරි. If 60 students travel in a bus, what is the minimum number of buses required? Now you need to get the total. Total එක ගන්න ඕන. What is the total? 8. 5 plus 8, 14, remaining 1, 3. That means lamai 348 should be divided by 60. 348 should be divided by 60. Right? 348 should be divided by 60. එතකොට ළමයි, let's see. 348 divided by 60. That means 5. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 6, 30. Analamai 48 remaining. 5 buses. Buses පහක් ඕන නේද? 60 multiplied by 5 නේ. 5 buses. දැන් මේ ටික ළමයි බස් එකේ උඩ අරන් යන්න බෑනේ. හරිද? බස් එකේ පල්ලෙහා අරන් යන්නත් බෑ. මේ කට්ටියටත් බස් එකක් ඕන ඉතින්. 5 and how many buses? 6 buses. Right? That means ළමයි 6 buses. බස් 6ක් ඕන. Right? Sorry. Wait a minute. 6 buses. If 1,000 is charged from each student for the trip, what is the total amount? 348 multiplied by 1,000. 348 and you need to take 3 zeros. 348 and 3 zeros. 348,000. 348,000. Question number B, lamai. They left the school at 5 a.m. on the trip and returned at 10:15 p.m. Write down the return time in standard form PM patio. Hours rare PM means 10 15 PM means you need to add 12. 10 plus 12 22 double dot 15. Find the total time taken for the trip lamai. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 22:15 is the return time. 5 is the starting time. Then we need to minus 5, 1, 12 minus 5, 7, 17 hours, 15 minutes. 17 hours, 15 minutes. Right? 17 hours and 15 minutes. Right? 17 hours and 15 minutes. Right? Okay ළමයි. නැත්තම් පැටි ඔයාලට මෙහෙම ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Right? උදේ 5 ඉඳන් කීයද? හවස 5 වෙනකන්. කියන්නේ උදේ 5 ඉඳන් හවස 5 වෙනකන් 12 hours. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 hours means 17 hours and 15 minutes. Right? So anyway, you can do that one. Right, question number 5 lamai. Look at this one, question number 5 and question number 6. That's all. Ne? Right, question number 6 ekat mara lazy. Right, what is the twice of me balana pediyo? What is the twice of 3? Twice of 3 lamai 6. What is the square of 4? Square of 4 means lamai 4 square. 4 square means 4 multiplied by 4. ඒ කියන්නේ දෙපාරක් වැඩි වෙන්න ඕන 4. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. Write 125 as a power of 5. 125 divide by 5. Then what is the answer? 125 divide by 5 lamai. 125 divide by 5. What is the answer? 2. 25, that means 5 into 5, 25. 25. 25 divided by 5, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. That means lamai 125 equals to 5 into 5 into 5. That means that you have 5 to the power 3. Harine, 5 to the power 3. Mea lamai 4 to the power 2 equals to 2 to the power 3. මපඩ හොඳට explain කරන්න පුළුවන් නිසා මෙතනට ගන්නම්. 4 to the power 2 equals to 2 to the power 4. Then 4 to the power 2 means lamai 4 multiplied by 4 means 16. 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. මෙන්න බොලේ equal. Yes. This one is true. Eka hari lamai. This one is true. Mea pedio 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 2 to the power 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Then 8, 9 සමානයිද equal ද නෑ. That one is false. එයා වැරදි. Right? That one is false. හරිනේ වැඩියෝ? ඒක වැරදි. 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means lamai. 2 to the power 5 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 32 ne වැඩියෝ මෙතනට එන්නේ. 32 plus කීයද 41 වෙන්නේ? 32 plus 9. 9 ළමයි, how we can write down 9? 9 කොහොමද පැටියෝ ලියන්නේ? 3 to the power 2. Then 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 9 we can write down as 3 to the power 2. Okay, lamai. Then last one, we can expand, find the value. 2 multiplied by 2. 3 patio deparai. 3 multiplied by 3. 5 deparai. 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 multiplied by 3, 36. 36 multiplied by 4. Sorry, 36 multiplied by 5. A in a Ghana 5 වලින් multiply කරන්න. 36 multiplied by 5. A in a Ghana පැටියෝ 5 වලින් multiply කරන්න. මං කරන්නේ just quickly comment your answer. Answer එක comment එකක් දාන්න. හොඳේ? හරිනේ? 3, 12, 12 into 3, 36. 36 multiplied by 5. A in a Ghana පැටියෝ ආයෙ 5 වලින් multiply කරන්න. Right? Yes. Then we can quickly move to the last one. So that means write banana. Following table shows the items in the market: potato, onion, green grams, carrot, leeks. Write the mass of bananas in grams. Bananas in grams. Banana means lamai 1 kilo. 1 kilogram means 1000 grams. And 300 grams. 1300 grams. Write the mass of onion in kilograms. Co-onion 1500. 1500 divide by 1000. ඒ කියන්නේ පැටියෝ 3ක් නේ යන්නේ. That means 1.5 kilograms. 1.5 kilograms means 1 kilogram 500 grams. 1 kilogram 500 grams. මාර ලේසි මේවා හොදේ. 1 kilogram 500 grams. How much greater is the mass of potatoes than the mass of bananas? Mass of potatoes than the bananas. 2 kilogram means lamai. 2 kilogram means patio 2000 grams. 2 kilogram means 2000 grams. 2000 gram minus banana 1300 grams. 0, 0, 10 minus 3, 7. That means lamai 700 grams. What is the answer? 700 grams. Someone says that the total mass of item brought by his mother does not exceed 8 kilograms. චුට්ටක් අපි බලමුද? Right? දැන් මෙතන තියෙනවනේ පැටියෝ 2 kilograms නේද? මෙහෙම ගණන් කරමු අපි. Right? මේ බලන්න. 2 kilograms, 1 kilogram, 3 kilogram. Hari. So that means lamai 3 kilogram. Harine. 1500 plus 500, 2000. 2,250, 100, 1,300. 5, 0, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3,650. 3,650 plus 3 kilograms. So මෙතන කිලෝ 3යිනේ. මෙතන කිලෝ 3යිනේ නේ. 3 kilograms නේද? 4 kilograms කිලෝ 3යි. Then another 3 kilograms. Kilo 3යි kilo 3යි. So that means ළමයි 6 kilograms. Nearly 6.6, nearly 7 kilograms. Someone says that the total mass of the item brought his mother does not exceed. Yes. Statement is true. Statement is true ළමයි. Statement එක හරි. Then we can add those values. මේ ටික add කරලා පෙන්නන්න පුළුවන්. So that one equals to less than 8 kilograms. Right? Less than 8 kilograms. If the price of 1 kilogram of green chilies, 1 kilogram of green chilies lamai 440, 1 kilogram of green chilies 440, 1 kilogram, but they are having 500 grams, right? 500 grams. 500 grams means lamai may 1 kilogram ne. 500 grams means 440 should be divided by 2. How many 2s for the 4? 2. 2 into 2, 4. Then we need to take 4 to down. How many 2s for the 4 lamai? 2. Then 4 and this one. So that means 220 rupees. Right? 220 rupees. Okay, video antimatica. Look at the B part lamai. Right? Look at the B part antimatica video. Look at the B part. 200. What is the largest number? What is the largest number? 275. Large එකේ ඉඳන් ලියන්න 752. එහෙමනේ. What is the place value of 5? What is the place value of 5 ළමයි? Ones, tens, hundreds. What is the place value tens? What is the value representing by 5? Methening value. What is the value representing by 550? Lazy patio, just try to complete at least 5 papers before the exams. If you have any question, just drop me the WhatsApp message, right? So this is the paper discussion. මම මේ කරේ paper එක. So what is the paper discussion? Southern Province 2024-2025, right? එහෙනම් අපි ගියා. Good luck හැමෝටම.